the fear, I don't know about you, but like I'm 50. I never really had fear. And I feel like it's just been everywhere all the time. I see it in my kids. I see it in owners. I see it, especially what's interesting is when I read any of the groups, any of the Facebook groups for the after school world, doesn't matter if it's gymnastics or cheer or dance or martial arts or whatever, everything is fear laden. And we used to say, oh, that's just, scarcity thinking. But no, it's flat out fear. All right? But you guys all realize that, okay, so I was scared, but I did it anyway. I didn't enjoy it, but I did it, right? We're scared of more shutdowns, all right? This event, I'll tell you, the people at this hotel were absolute godsends. They've been wonderful to me on every level.